HICOCA small weight 1 to 4 plastic packaging line. Weighing machine, coarse and fine feeding, 2-stage weighing for enhanced precision. Elevator. Feeding and conveying system, dual scraper feeders, alternating feeding for tidy alignment. Feeding and conveying system, bearing-guided sliding mechanism, wear-free, durable, and stable positioning. Seamless bag forming, rounded edges with no creases. Dual vertical sealing, neat, secure, and efficient sealing. Horizontal sealing, clean cutting with precise temperature control. High-speed packaging at 80 packs per minute. Qingdao HICOCA, specializing in rice and flour products, production and packaging equipment.